We must be at a place like India. And I would like to say that I was there when Kenya decided to actually move a notch higher in IT, and we overtook South Africa. We are ahead of South Africa today in IT. So I do believe that Kenya will be at its place. We are number one in M-Pesa. AI is the next place to be. And I do believe that this program, as it's designed, will help us create solutions for the world. Personally, I came with 2 projects. Now I have a 3rd one. Thank you very much. Vote of thanks from our team. And for my colleagues, thank you. Thank you. The way we are uplifting each other, I also want to thank you that you came for today's session. Thank you. Back to the CEO.
Thank you, engineer. So somebody asked a question which I think was answered. So this was Girath Joel, right? Is it Gareth?
Gareth.
I don't know. Hello. How do you pronounce your name?
Gareth.
Okay, Gareth Joel. So Mwalimu tried to answer your question. I hope it's satisfying, right?
I wasn't here when he answered. Could you
No, he
reiterate?
did that on the chat, so you can check that on the chat. Are you able to see it?
Not really.
Okay, so let me read what he said. He said you can use them as there is a lot of resources outside. Some of them are paid for, some of them are free. And then he went ahead to give a perfect example of another paid version with some link. So if you check down there in the what do you call it, the chat, you'll be able to get that link. Okay, you guys can see it. Okay, fine. I think let me share with you. Can you be able to give us your, I don't know where I can do. Maybe I can be able to copy. I send it to you.
Yeah, Mwalimu, I was also looking for the answer and I can't see it in the chat.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Can I make a quick suggestion there? I think
Yes.
if you copy the response now and
I've just done that.
It should show. No,
I've just done that. Can you able to see it now?
Yes, I can see it now.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, so yeah, Joel, that has been answered. So I hope that will help a lot. To our guests, we appreciate you so much. I just needed to make some few comments. Is that our training runs up to 5 months. Actually, so by 4th month, our expectation is that you would have learned about 6 tools that you can be using in data analysis. And the last month, that's the 5th month, preparation for those who want to change, you want to use as a career, doing certification. We have like about 10 certification that we propose, we recommend. And then for those who want to use this as a career, so you prepare for, job placement, you come up, we help you, make resume, interview preparation, connect you with the mentors, and of course, the recruiters that can help you get a job. So, but what I want to tell again here is that as long as you are here with us, you can still use our resources for 12 months. So you pay for 5 months, but you can use our resources. You can always come back here, attend any class, without any extra charges. So our July intake is going on. You're welcome. Spread this word to your friends. If you Google, just a small Google, you take your phone, check the #1 paying job today. Do it at your own time. And I bet that, as mine shows, data analysis would be #1. Software engineering comes #2. So this is a skill that you need, whether you are engineer, like Alex engineer, whether you are in software development, whether you are in marketing, whether you are in whatever field. These are skills that, will go a long way. I welcome you all to our training. Our training normally happens, we are very flexible, but normally happens almost same time, because that's when we realize most of our students. And this training is not only, but I've had like most of the people talk about Kenya. We have different people from different parts of the world. What is important is that we are trying to get this needed skill to everyone. We're in a situation that we hope that in the next coming years, we're not to be part of the people who are going to be left behind. We're going to be part of people who are going to sit at the table, reason out, talk about technology, like we understand technology. I appreciate that somebody seated back in Kenya could talk about a serious, technology like ChatGPT and AI, like they have lived here their lives. So it doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in Kenya, you are in some other part. If you have the passion, you have the drive, we are going to be here to help you move you to the next level you want. I appreciate you all. So anyone with another question that they want, clarification on, we're going to answer that just for some few minutes before we end the meeting.
Just real quick, on the website, do you have the curriculum of the various training courses that you offer?
Yes, so if you go to our website and then you go under services, solutions, and then you go education and training, you click on that, you get our the course content.
Right, thank you.
Yep.
So for me, I have two suggestions.
Yes.
The first one, when you're posting your flyer,
yes,
please do put a linkable link.
Yeah.
Like even for your schedule and everything else, because I know, having served the community a lot, some people don't have that time or are not savvy, like I told you before, so that they can click and just go through what they want to see. And then the second thing is not really relevant, but I just want to ask, is it true that ChatGPT was like, it was programmed in Kenya, that they used the Kenyan ITs to, because I think it was in the news, but they used the Kenyan workers to start the ChatGPT. Is it true?
Now, I think Mwalimu just mentioned the reason why it's called large something LLM, right? He mentioned it clearly that it's able to, actually it's large language model. It means it's able to get information virtually everywhere in the world. Now, for you to train a model, it means you have to train model using data from different parts of the world, Kenya being one of them. So yes, Kenya was part of that, but that doesn't mean that it was only Kenya. It was, you training it based on different region, just to be able to understand that if a data is received from Kenya, will it respond the same way as it would when it received in Mexico?
Okay. So my next thing is, I don't want like the whole works because I'm in that different field, but I would like to learn about ChatGPT and gosh, what's the other one? I can't remember the other one. So do you have a program that I don't have to take all the courses, but I can kind of pick and choose?
Yes. So if I have to mention, so I'll you are talking about GitHub. GitHub is a platform. Yeah. So GitHub is a platform that we are using for our training purposes. So it's more about building a professional profile. So somebody would want to use LinkedIn, for example. So you could build your profile, professional profile. You may do some project, that updates in your profile that can help you, to understand, because in LinkedIn it's a different, just set them, but GitHub. So we're going, yes, to answer your question, yes, we recommend all the units. But if somebody is proficient in one area, and they just want specific area, you can always come and then we can discuss, and then we can go by what you want.
I meant Slack. Do you have?
Oh, Slack. Yeah. So yes. So what happens is this. So we have specific courses that we are currently doing. but we're not limited. Like, we are so much agile, we expand, we grow. So if you have some technology, because we have enough skills and trainers with quite a number of wealth experience. So yes, just tell us what you want and we'll see if it's possible, then let you know. If not, then we'll also let you know due to some reasons. Did I answer your question, Jackie? Jackie?
Thank you. My phone had frozen. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Anyone with another question? So I see Sarah Kimathi. I see Joseph Ouno. Do you guys have some question or a comment?
Hello,
See
everyone.
Isabel M. Okay, so go ahead.
Yeah, my name is Sarah.
Yeah.
I don't have a comment or question because I just joined in a little bit late.
Okay.
Maybe I can just comment that I really enjoyed, and I hope that you have a recording so
Yes,
that I can be able to see what you discussed from the start. Thank you.
Yeah, so for those who want this, you will share with us your email address so that this can be shared to you.
All right, thank you.
Right, thank you, moderator, and thank you for this opportunity. This is Joseph. I really need to experience ChatGPT. I don't know how. What is the best way forward to experience it? Do I use start with the free version, or I should get the paid version and experience it better fully? It's something I wanted to plan for a long time, but thank you so much for the opportunity to get this.
Thank you, Joseph. So I would recommend you get in touch with us so that you can, advise, accordingly, depending on what you want, because there are many reasons why somebody want to take option A and leave option B. So we'll share that with you. I recommend you share with us your contact so that we can reach out to you and get down to it.
Right, thank you so much. I don't know how you're supposing I would share the link.
Yeah, you can share on the chat.
Okay.
Or you can do that. We have I had shared our contacts. You can always use our phone number. It's always there. I've shared it with it. I've shared it. Okay, I've seen. You can also share your email. We'll pick them from there, from the chat.
Right, thank you.
Isabel.
Hi. Thank you so much for the invite. I got it from a social media post. And I think this is a wonderful platform. Thank you so much. I have just been curious about data analysis. So everything I was hearing today was very brand new to me, but I am in IT support. I am a tier 1. So I was wondering how I can, change my roles and get into data analysis. So I'll be following up on your programs. Asanteni.
Thank you so much, Isabel. I would tell you that if you look at the profile of our students, we have people who are trained in different areas who are professionally, in different fields. But they either want to enhance their knowledge or they want to change their career path. And I can tell you never go wrong with this. So for more information, you can always leave your contact here, your email, or reach out to us. We'll guide you to to the best way possible, how you can be able to join our course, train with us. This is a hands-on. We use Pi. It's practical, engaging, and interactive. Our mission is not just to make people get out of the class after spending their 4 years here. Our vision is to ensure that you get the much needed skill. So there are a lot of projects. Be ready. There are many project case studies that we do because that's what we're going to do when you go out there as data analyst. So we have a lot of hands-on project and cases that we do. And people in the groups every day, 1 hour before classes, they are working on a project. So welcome.
Thank you.
Now,
Thank you so much.
okay. So you leave your emails there. We can always reach out to you. Thank you, everyone. Unless somebody has a question, I would want to end this meeting. Anyone with the last question or a comment or something? Okay, thank you so much, and I wish you a good day. I wish you a good holiday. Good morning, those who are in Kenya. Be blessed. See you around next time.